Sweethearts, it's Rowan, and I've got myself a couple of shopping bags from Crazy Wisdom in downtown Ann Arbor, and I actually, so this is a less recent one, but I recently passed the, what's it called? They've got a frequent shopper program if you're in the area, and so I recently passed the, like every $200 you get a $10 discount on your following purchase. So, hi! So I've got one book here, The Magical Art of Crafting Charm Bags. Today. And I have a couple, actually I've got like one on me that I've already had a bit of a go at. So, if you've read, so with the Rethu novels that I'm reading and reviewing, there's also the Grimoire Dahara that Storm Constantine has written in collaboration with Taylor Elwood. It's a series of 3 books. It's presented as a magic system. It's got a lot of influence from chaos magic, as Storm has learned it, and it's got some influence from, you know, the more popular general Wicca-based witchcraft. Hi, Kitty. What are you watching? What's he watching? Why doesn't anybody know what he's watching? And I've actually gotten fairly into that, and so I've started, that's what the embroidery is about. It's from Grimoire Dahara, and I've got a couple other ones to embroider and go on my way with that. In fact, this one here, this large one, I'm using it for a card deck. What is he watching? Cat? Seriously? I know you're like half the personality of all of my videos lately, but... And this is a smaller bag than the other one, but one thing that they will do at Crazy Wisdom, they'll give you the little info slips about various stones when you purchase. And so I have an egg of snowflake obsidian, and it's only got a few little white spots to it, but I really wanted the volcanic glass, because, yeah, that's what obsidian is. And so we've got the little second pouch that I do intend to embroider, and these 3 are black onyx, and I've also picked up from there. I've wanted one of these for quite some time for meditative practices. It's one of those, you know, Tibetan singing bowls. And I wanted one that didn't have Sanskrit all over it, but for the kind of sound I was looking for, there were 2 there, and this is the one that cost $10 less, and I reached a point where I didn't think I wanted to wait any longer, so... Hi. Do you want it? Maybe. Oh, you're so cute anyway. Oh, well. Oh, thank you so much. And, that's it right now. And I know. Hi!
Kitty, what you doing? Are you so cute? Are you so cute?
I know. Oh, honey. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can't really do good rhythmic cat thumping to, one of those bells there, but it's... Have you thumped your cat today? Have you? I have. If you haven't, go thump your cat. Alright. What do you say, kitty? You love me? Maybe. Or do you just like how... He just wants thumping. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay. Okay, well, take care of yourselves, everybody, and back to some kisses. And slan!